Alright guys, so you've been grinding away studying those engineering textbooks, and finally landed yourself a civil engineering interview. That's awesome, but let's be real. Interviews can be a bit like trying to calculate the load capacity of a bridge made of spaghetti. Stressful. But fear not, my friend. Today we're going to equip you with 5 actionable hacks that are going to help you absolutely crush that interview and have you feeling as confident as a perfectly poured concrete foundation. We're talking next-level stuff here, incorporating insights from the big dogs themselves, the American Society of Civil Engineers, ACE, and the American Concrete Institute, ACI. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's turn you into an interview ninja. Okay, first things first, let's talk codes and standards. Imagine showing up to a construction site only to realize the blueprints are from 1982. Yikes. That's why staying updated is crucial, my friend. Spend just 2 minutes before your interview refreshing your memory on the latest updates from ASCE and ACI reports. Trust me, it's way easier than it sounds. You can find tons of resources on their websites. Now, during the interview, casually drop some knowledge bombs about these standards. Something like, yeah, I was recently reading about the new seismic design guidelines from ASCE. Fascinating stuff. Boom! Instant credibility. You're showing them you're not just book smart, you're up to date and ready to tackle the real-world challenges. Alright, let's talk problem solving. Anyone can memorize a textbook, but can you apply that knowledge to real-world situations? That's what separates the pros from the, well, not-so-pros. Now's your chance to shine. Prepare a concise 1-minute example of a project where you faced a complex engineering problem and crushed it like a boss. Think back to a time you used your engineering superpowers to overcome a challenge. Maybe you optimized a bridge design, or maybe you found an innovative solution to a drainage issue. Whatever it is, make sure you highlight the problem, your thought process, the solution you implemented, and the positive outcome. And here's the pro tip: back up your solution with data or results from ASCE or ACI publications. This shows them you're not just making stuff up, you're using credible sources to support your work. Mic drop. Chapter 3. Now, let's talk about sustainability because, let's face it, saving the planet is cool. Companies are increasingly looking for engineers who prioritize sustainability. Luckily for you, both ASCE and ACI are leading the charge on this front. ASCE has their sustainable infrastructure guidelines, and ACI is doing some amazing work with sustainable concrete practices. Familiarize yourself with these initiatives and be prepared to discuss how you've incorporated sustainability into your past projects, even in small ways. Did you use recycled materials? Did you design for energy efficiency? These are the things that make you stand out as a forward-thinking engineer. Remember, we want to show them you're not just building for today, you're building for the future. Chapter 4. Okay, let's be real. Technology is changing the game in civil engineering faster than you can say finite element analysis. You gotta show them you're not just comfortable with technology, you're practically fluent in it. Think about the industry-standard software you've mastered, like AutoCAD, Revit, or ETABS. Prepare a brief but impactful example of how your tech skills led to a positive project outcome. Maybe you used BIM software to streamline collaboration and reduce errors. Or, maybe you leveraged data analysis tools to optimize a design. Whatever it is, make sure you connect the dots between your skills and the positive impact it had. And don't forget to sprinkle in some references to ASCE's reports on technology adoption in civil engineering. This shows them you're on top of the latest advancements. Chapter 5. Alright, here's the deal. You could be the most brilliant engineer in the world, but if you can't communicate your ideas clearly and confidently, it's not gonna matter. Remember, we're going for that perfect balance of professionalism and approachability. So ditch the technical jargon and focus on clear, concise language that everyone in the room can understand. Now practice your elevator pitch. This should be a 1-minute summary of your experience, skills, and how they align with the company's goals. Imagine you're in an elevator with the CEO, and you've got 1 minute to impress them. What would you say? Make it count. Outro. So, there you have it, folks. 5 actionable hacks to help you ace that civil engineering interview in 2025. Remember, cracking this interview doesn't have to be as daunting as calculating the stress-strain curve of a new material. By mastering the latest codes, showcasing your problem-solving skills, emphasizing sustainability, showing off your technology prowess, and communicating like a pro, you'll be well on your way to landing that dream job in just 5 minutes. Don't forget to stay up to date with ASCE and ACI resources. They're like the cheat codes to staying ahead of the curve. For more insights, check out ASCE's latest publications at www.ace.org and ACI's resources at www.concrete.org. Good luck with your interview, you got this. I believe in you.